the holistic process, the holistic process. We just not only to sharing and to showing up about our student the cognitive skill regarding the subject, but we have responsibility how we are supporting, developing the student character, value, moral, and the attitude behavior. Meaning that here, this is the student the emotional quotation skill and also the soft skill, or maybe regarding about the 21st century skill. And in education, we are in the digital transformation, and there are five the highlight issue based on my opinion, my interpretation, and my study over there. The first one about injected artificial intelligence. We know that artificial intelligence, according to UNESCO definition, this is the only learning tool, a teaching tool, and we can use in our classroom. Mobile technology or Mobitech, this is also the very important because we adapt with this new situation and new habit. We are familiar right now about the remote teaching, virtual classroom, distance education, ICT culture, and of course, because of this condition, we redesign our curriculum. Injected technology, this is also one of the uh, highlight issue in Indonesia because mostly the teacher, our teacher, they are very low in technology skill or technology pedagogical content knowledge. Even we know there are many technology, but sometimes we have the problem how we are connected this technology into our learning and teaching process, how we are designing our teaching activities, our learning process by using this technology, and what are the right technology to supporting the student need of the student skill. And in Indonesia, we are design our curriculum, namely Merdeka curriculum, but we still have so many homework about uh, redesign our curriculum because of the teacher competence and the teacher skill. In Smart Digital Classroom Management, there are three types of quantum learning, quantum teaching, and quantum technology. To support the quality of education, we must be mastery and understanding about the quantum, the triple quantum. The way we are learning, we must change. The way we are teaching, we must change. And the technology that we use, this is rapidly and so quickly actually influence our education. Cyberbullying, this is the theory from the education from cybergogy. We understanding that cybergogy, this is not only about the pedagogy and the technology itself. Sometimes my student asks how we are right now in the we having right now AI, how we are compare ourselves with the AI. Yeah, of course, the answer is literacy skill, or maybe right now we just mentioned that we have responsibility as educator to support and increase our student metacognitive skill, knowing how children, and they know they cannot be identified. This is the fake information from artificial intelligence or chat GPT, and this is the true information or original information. Freedom Children, right now for today, like today, we are in this meeting, in this forum, we are in international meeting, and we're having our Freedom Children. We can learn in many resource and in many activities like webinar or international webinar seminar like today. The last about the sixth industrial revolution, and for today we are embrace the notion harmonies between human machine collaboration. Human intelligence and artificial intelligence must be incorporated in our education. So well, why we must change the way we are learning and the way we are teaching, because our students, they are different with us. They are the Gen Z and they are born digital, and then we must be accept this situation, the differentiate, and we must be teaching them by this by the student generation of the student situation. And when you are use the technology that mentioned before from professor, that about the education by entertaining concept. When you use artificial intelligence, actually already this is from uh, the edutainment concept or constructivism theory. And choice of instructional design, maybe you must choose the way you are delivering your material. That's why before I mentioned, this is not only about we understanding the technology, but we must understanding also about the student condition, the student need, and the student want. Maybe sometime you are designing your curriculum, you're designing your lesson plan based on the teacher one or policy one, but maybe right now you must change the way you are right now design your curriculum. You must be understanding your student learning style, your student behavioral characteristic, and the student want. Sometimes maybe we ignore about our student what they want, what they need. So of course, for supporting the quality of education, you must be understanding about your student want, your student need, and your student like. And this is the example of when the learning flow, if you want to do, or maybe we can say this is the learning activities that you can use in your classroom when you are use artificial intelligence. There are eight steps here that actually already supporting you to increase the student the critical thinking of the 21st century skill. You can feel free download the document of my article in this website. And this is some of the tools and the technology before we are entering generative artificial intelligence, and why the artificial intelligence we must be connected in our activities, in our learning activities, because remember that in this Bloom taxonomy for the student, we must be increase their higher order thinking skill. Not only we asking the student just to remember and understanding about the material, but how they are having their designing thinking. And this is 120 mind-blowing artificial intelligence tool. And I believe you are familiar with the sum of this artificial intelligence. But sometimes we don't know how to teach our student. When we want to increase the student writing, we want to ask the student to design thinking, and maybe for the computational thinking skill. So that's why for when we are actually already doing interaction with the human computer or the robot itself, we are actually already having our communication. We are doing our interaction between human and machine. That already we always do that in by using our robot friend, that actually we can see here how human machine are already building up in our learning and teaching process. Human robot, they are our teamwork, because sometimes we are use our robot friend, for example, by using ChatGPT or chatbot, that actually already we are access the information. And another side about artificial intelligence that already we have in, namely humanoid robot. But humanoid robot, this is very expensive, and sometimes we just only use our virtual robot. We just only download it from the Google Play Store, and the student can play together by the virtual robot. This is the example, the simple of humanoid robot when they are wanna to having or speaking or learning English. Sometimes we use also namely the humanoid robot that actually already happening in Germany, but you see here in the video that a robot lecture, or this is the humanoid robot, this is not the single teacher of a that. Still monitoring by the human teacher in this class in Germany. So the communication, why this is communication very important skill? Because the communication, this is also part of the 21st century skill. The 21st century skill, actually this is not only about the learning skill, but also literacy skill and the life skill that already we need, because right now we are connected globally, and then we must doing to support for our student the soft skill itself. And the last, this is my documentation when I use virtual reality to support my student soft skills, my student project by designing the video.
This video, okay, I sent in my
You see that the student actually representing the ideas by using my mapping and virtual reality. And then, sorry, I will do my presentation. This is the example of the artificial intelligence website and also artificial intelligence platform. That this is my student already documentation. Oh, sorry. Yeah. This is the example of the student chatting with the robot of friend that already representing here. Oh, sorry. My PPT, wait a bit. And then this is my, oh, sorry. I have bad connection of ID and the PPT to the event organizer. And then thank you so much for having me and listening to me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.